Hello everyone. It's actually been long. Happy New Year. So the last class we had was multiple, and I told us that multiple means doubling of number. That's when they give you one, double, you double one, that's two. And add another one, three, add another one. Multiples of two, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. That's multiples. So now we are dealing with least common multiple. You can also call it lowest common multiple. And I told us before that when you hear multiple, it means it's kind of, it has to involve more than one number once you hear common. So the LCM of 12 and 6 means we should find the least number that this 12 and 16 can divide without remainder. The least number that 12 and 16 can divide without remainder. And the formula we use for that is factorization method. So we draw our line and we write 12 and we write 16. So we'll start with the smallest prime number, which is 2. 2 can divide 12. 2 divide 12, it will give you 6. 2 divide 16, it will give you 8. 2 can still get again. 2 divide 6, it will give you 3. 2 divide 8, it will give you 4. Now, in this one, you keep dividing with anything that can divide. So 2 can still divide 4, even though 2 cannot divide 3. So you still put 2 here. 2 cannot divide 3, you bring it down. 2 divide 4, it will give you 2. 2 can still get again to divide these 2, you put 2. 2 cannot divide 3, you bring down 3. 2 divide 2, it will give you 1. Now, 3 will now go. 3 divide 3, it will give you 1. So you keep dividing until you have 1 on both sides. If you are giving 2 numbers, if you are giving 3 numbers, you keep dividing until you have 1 at the last part of this number. Now, this last part. So as we've factorized, we are going to multiply these factors, these prime factors that we used to factorize. So which is 2 times this 2 times this 2 times this 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 3 is equal to 48. Therefore, the L.C.M of 12 and 20, and 16 is equal to 48. So 48 is the least number that 12 and 16 can divide at the same time without remainder. So let's see. 12 divide this 48, it will give you 3. 16 divide this 48. Okay, 12 divide 48, it will give you 4. 16 divide 48, it will give you 3. Are you seeing? So this is the least number that 12 and 6 can divide. Bye.